Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to add or remove, so how to manage actually a Google account on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and here we have to find the accounts option, which is in the personal section. Under it we've got whole Google section actually, and of course you can manage your account using it, but actually, to be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of this section, so I prefer to do it using accounts, so simply tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account, so before adding new one we have to remove this one. Obviously you can have two different accounts on your device, but I would like to remove it, so simply tap on it, tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. And we have to confirm this operation with a pattern, PIN or password, whatever screen lock you've got. So just enter it. And let's wait. Okay. I don't know what happened and why we just entered play and movies. Whatever, just try again. Let's get into the accounts. Right here, and as you can see we cannot find the Google account, so it means that we just successfully removed it from this device. So now we can add new one just by tapping on add account right here. Now we have to tap on Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. I have no idea why, but you have to confirm it with your pattern, so PIN or password obviously, so just enter it. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you can receive all the info about it. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So well, actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.